All right, 5/6s. We're looking at coordinates. We've got a little challenge for you just for today. So it's a 1 day only, so make sure you get this done during the day and submit it by 4. If you had a heart attack from my last video, I've got lots of spare pencils this time, so hopefully I don't need them, but let's see how we go. Okay, so if we come in there, yeah, that's great. Okay, so there's some clues here. Now, a couple of things. You might want to print this out. You might want to work on it in your book and just draw up one of these grids in your book. If you do, make sure you get that 0, 0 point in the corner, and then each of the axes extends out from there. The other really important factor to remember is that on this activity, we are not talking about in the spaces. We're talking about on the points, okay? And I'll explain that a bit more as it unfolds. So the challenge is, can you position these 10 letters in their correct places according to the clues? Okay, so I'm just going to work through the first clue just to give you a little head start. Okay, the letters at 1, 1, which is here, and I'm going to mark that spot. Okay, 1, 1. X-axis always first, then the Y-axis. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 3 are all symmetrical about a vertical line. Now, about a vertical line means across. Okay, across a vertical line. So that means if this is our vertical line, oh wow, if this is our vertical line, then the 3 letters have a line of symmetry across that line. So I could say that they are A, because the line of symmetry goes in there, and another one is X, because it is exactly the same on both sides of that line of symmetry, and the other one would be the Y, because that is on the line of, that's got the line of symmetry there. Okay, and you can tell if I have a line down here, it's not exactly the same on both sides. Same with you. So the 3 letters are those 3. Now, what I know is that it's going to be A, X, and Y, but I don't know which one goes where. So I'm going to have to follow some other clues in order to get there. So it's a bit of a problem-solving activity. If you can complete this task by doing it in your book, photographing it and adding it to the slide. You could also complete it in the slide just by creating letters and dropping them in the right spot. Okay, so you can use it in the slide, or you can print out the activity. It's up to you. Good luck. Good luck. Make sure you email your teacher if there's any issues. But I'm sure you'll be fine. Just work your way through it. Bit of a challenge, but you'll be right. The aim, sorry, I should have said this at the start. The aim is to make sure we are using those coordinates on the Cartesian plane or in the grid system. And you'll know you've been successful if you're plotting your letters on cross points, not in spaces.